This website, Bioprocess International, is a very good site. I'm reading a very good article controlling glycosylation and fusion protein manufacturing to generate protein bios better. But the first thing that caught my attention was this thing, the upstream. So somebody actually asked me in an interview, have you ever correlated glycosylation patterns with something? And I couldn't answer. Now I can answer by looking at this chart. Um, CO2, partial pressure of CO2 changes, polysilation decreases, and temperature decreases, silation decreases, pH and temperature decreases. Stirring speed increases and glycosylation decreases. Glycan structure can be influenced by growth conditions in a bioreactor. Typical of physicochemical process parameters having an effect are pH, temperature, CO2, and ammonium ion concentration. Titration of osmolality can be used to steer the degree of fucosylation. Important enzymatic cofactors should be present in sufficient quantity. Specifically, manganese and iron facilitate increased glycosylation. Other feeds or media components, such as the typical carbon source glucose, its replacement by galactose, mannose, or other glycosylation precursors, have an impact on glycan structure, including uridine diphosphate and acetylglucosamine.